Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about composition of functions. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. So I have here three functions. So number 1, f of x is equals to 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. While the second function g of x is equals to 3x minus 5. And h of x is equals to 7x. Now, find letter A, f of g, h2, and then g of h, f half. So I will solve letter A first. So letter A, need to replace x to h function. So this will be h2 will be 7 times 2. So this will be 14. And then next will be g of 14, because the value of h2 is 14. So g of x will be 3 times 14 minus 5. So 14 times 3, this will be 12, carry 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So this will be 42 minus 5. So 42 minus 5, since 2 cannot be subtracted by 5, so borrow in here. So this will be 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then bring down 3. So this will be 37. Now, the third part, which is the third function, will be f of 37. So f of 37. So this function, so 5 37 square plus 3 times 37 minus 2. So what is 37 times 37? This will be 49, carry 4. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Then this will be 21, carry 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So this will be 9, 6, 3, 1. So I've got 1369 or 1369. So this will be 1369 plus 37 times 3. This will be 21, carry 2, 9, 11. Okay, so this will be 111. 111 minus 2. So what is 1369 plus 11? 1369. So 1369 plus 11. This will be 10, carry 1, 8. This will be 4. Then I've got 1480. And then less 2. So this will be 1478. So I've got the answer for letter A is 1000. This will be 1478. Then how about letter B? Okay, anyway, I can erase this one. So letter B is this one first. So starting from f of x, when x is half. So this will be half. 5 times half squared plus, this will be 3 times half minus 2. So 5 half squared will be 1 over 4 plus 3 over 2 minus 2. And then multiply this one. This will be 5 over 4 plus 3 over 2 minus 2. Since I don't have denominator, so I will put 1. And then find the LCD. LCD will be 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 3, 6. So this is minus 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 2 is 8. So this will be 11. Take away 8 over 4. So this will be 3 over 4. So this one is 3 over 4. The next will be h of 3 over 4. So h will be 7x or 7, 3 over 4. So multiply, this will be 21 over 4. So the last will be g of 21 over 4. So 21 over 4, this will be 3 times 21 over 4, then minus 5. This is 21 times 3, 6. So 63 over 4 minus 5. So put 1 for the denominator. So LCD will be 4. Then divide times 63 minus 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 5 is 20. So 63 minus 20. So 3. So this is 43. So the answer is 43 over 4. Since this is improper fraction, so need to divide. So 43 divided by 4. So this will be 1, 4. Then this will be 3. 3 cannot be divided by 4, so this will be 0. And then multiply 0, so this will be 3. So therefore, the answer will be 10. And then 3 over 4. So to check this answer, so multiply. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 3, that is 43 over 3. 43 over 4. Yeah, correct. This is my final answer. 10 and 3 over 4. That's all.